Hello everyone. So today we are going to start the file handling concept for binary files. So in last session we have studied the text file, normal text file, notepad files which you can get in your Python program and you can just modify the text file or you can create the text file, right? So in today's session we are going with the binary files. Now what are the binary files? These are the types of files which are loaded in your computer system for some applications, okay, or those files can be automatically generated. Have you noticed that there are some files located in your computer, but when you open those files, first of all you can't open those files directly. Second, even if you open the file, you can't understand anything because the data is like the encrypted form, encoding form. The data might be in the binary bytes, or the data includes some special characters, special text which you can't understand properly, and you can't understand what is inside that file. The file is full of data, but you can't read the data, you can't understand the data. So those type of files are your binary files which are automatically generated, or those files are system supported file, or the some kind of application of software supported files which are required for those applications and softwares, but you as a user can't create those files directly by just opening, just like we do with the text file. We can't create the binary files like that. Binary files are automatically generated, but in Python program we can access those binary files. We cannot open the binary files directly just like we open the notepad files and view the data, but we can access that binary files from our computer system and then we can view the data. Though the data is in the binary form or encoded form, we can read the data in the Python. So how we can do that? Before starting with the file handling concept, first we need to understand what is the binary data. Now binary files, you know the bit and byte form, 1 0, right? So these are the binary bytes, and whenever you enter or whenever you write down any text, if the text is converted into this form, you can't read this. Means this has the special meaning. It might be a character, might be a symbol, or it might be a number, but you can't understand this unless and until you convert this binary data into text form. So to understand the binary data, and not only this, there are special encoding characters are there which are stored in your file system, which you are not, you can't understand. आप समझ नहीं सकते हो कि वो डेटा क्या है. कुछ स्पेशल सिम्बॉल्स होते हैं, कैरेक्टर्स होता है, एक्सेट्रा. So to understand binary files, first we need to convert that binary file into normal text so that the normal user can understand the data. तो conversion system इसमें use होती है automatically. Now when we learn the file handling for the binary files, this binary data converted to the normal text. How? We need to use some Python modules for that. Okay, and we need to import one module for that called as a pickle module. Before starting that, first we will see how the process will be done. Now to convert the binary code to the text code or vice versa, there are the process called serialization and deserialization. Okay, so first concept is serialization. So what is serialization means? Serialization means serial information. See, when we learn the text data, then that text data is not serial data, right? We have partitioned our text into some sentences, into words, right? The words and sentences are separated by space, some characters, some special symbols, right? Serialization means when your data is in serial form, in one line, in one sequence, just like your binary data, without any space or anything. Yes, space will be converted in the binary form also, because that is also a character. Space भी convert होता है. तो serialization means that your data is in serialized. In this, file handling, also called as a pickling. Pickling is the term which we use in binary file handling. Now, serialization means whenever you are converting text to binary data, right? That means you are converting that text into serial data. That is called as a serialization. तो अगर text है, suppose my text is hello. This is my string. This is my string. And this normal text, when I am going to convert into binary data, then the text might be this one, like this, or any special symbols which are used in the binary file. So what we have done, हमने क्या किया है कि hello जो normal text है वो हमने convert किया है binary में. ये normal text and this is the serial data. So this process is called as a serialization, means pickling. It is also called as a pickling. Why it is called as a pickling, I will mention afterwards. So here normal text is converted to the byte stream. This is the byte stream, right? And whenever we are going to write to the binary file, देखो file operations दो देखे हमने, reading and writing, right? So writing means writing to the file. Writing to the text file इज सिंपल. हम लोग जो कंटेंट है वो एज इट इज़ राइट करते हैं और वो एज इट इज़ फाइल में स्टोर होता है. बट बाइनरी फाइल्स में ऐसा नहीं होता है. बाइनरी फाइल्स में जो भी कंटेंट है हम लिखते हैं प्लेन टेक्स्ट में, बट with the help of modules and methods, that content will be converted to the binary data. Okay, this conversion process is to be held in the binary file system. तो उसको बोलते हैं serialization. Compared to text file and CSV file, binary files are fast for execution. क्यों? Because the files are ऑलरेडी इन द बाइनरी फॉर्मेट, तो कंप्यूटर को उसको अलग से कन्वर्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. टेक्स्ट फाइल में हम जो भी टेक्स्ट लिख रहे हैं, वॉट एवर टेक्स्ट वी आर राइटिंग, दैट टेक्स्ट विल बी स्टोर्ड एज इट इज़. ओके, सो कंप्यूटर को वो समझने के लिए उसको खुद को वो बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है. बट इन द बाइनरी फाइल द प्रोसेसिंग इज फास्ट. वाई? बिकॉज इन द पाइथन, विद द हेल्प ऑफ पाइथन मॉड्यूल्स ओनली, our text data is converted to the binary data, right? So here this serialization. So when this serialization or pickling is used, when we are writing to the text file, writing to the binary file, right? क्योंकि हम तो binary data लिख नहीं रहे हैं, we are writing text only. So what we are writing, this word, and this will be converted to the binary data. And for writing process, because we are writing hello, but with the module, this hello will be converted to the binary data and then it will be saved to the binary file. So this process is the serialization, which is called as a pickling. Now second one is the deserialization, also called as the unpickling. Serialization and unpickling is just an inverse of pickling. That is, हमने पिकलिंग में क्या देखा, that the normal text is converted to the binary data for writing, when we are going to write to the binary file. Then but when it comes to reading part, जब read करनी होती है file, so while reading from the binary file, when we are reading, the file is already exist in your computer system, we are opening that file from in read mode. Then we are taking the content, but we are not able to understand whatever the content is. Why? Because conversion needs to be done in that time. So here deserialization means converting your binary data to normal text. So normal text, suppose we are taking hello. This is for reading. When we are reading from the binary file, then so deserialization means what we are doing, we are taking the byte of string from the file, we are converting that, deserializing that data to normal text. So that is your unpickling method. That means for reading process we are going with the unpickling method. So these two are the important processes in binary files, and which we are going to learn because it is associated for your with your reading and writing operations. So we need to understand this both part. In binary program, when we are writing the program for binary file handling, first step is to import the pickle module. Now pickle module is the existing predefined module in Python which we need to import first. Why? Because the methods which we are using in the binary file, those methods cannot be used unless you are using the or you are importing the pickle method into your program. See, for text file we don't need any module to be imported. We have seen the text file operations in last session. हमें कोई भी मॉड्यूल इंपोर्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. बट इन दिस केस इन द बाइनरी फाइल, first we need to import the pickle module. Import pickle. So the syntax to import the pickle module is import keyword to import and then pickle. Yes, the spelling is right, pickle. So import pickle means you are first the existing pickle module in the Python library that you are importing. Then in this pickle module there are several methods which you can use to operate to the binary file, right? Because the methods used for reading and writing operations in binary files are different from your text file. टेक्स्ट फाइल में जो रीडिंग राइटिंग ऑपरेशंस होते हैं उसके लिए रीड लाइन एंड रीड लाइन्स, फॉर राइटिंग राइट एंड राइट लाइन्स, ये मेथड्स हैं. बट इन बाइनरी फाइल्स we need to use only two methods, dump method first and second one is the load method. Dump and load, these two methods we need to use in the binary files for reading and writing. How? That we can see now. So first step is to import pickle method. Then the opening of binary file, the opening and closing of binary file is just same as your text file. जैसे आप text file open और close करते हो वैसे ही आपको binary file open या फिर close करनी है, but the methods are little bit different. So here what is the syntax for opening the file? Syntax is your file object that will be user defined is equal to open function and then your file name into single or double quote, same syntax. So here my file name is suppose file1 dot. Now for text file your extension is txt, right? For binary file the extension will be there are so many extensions are used or works with the binary file. First is the .bin, second and most familiar extension that .dat. You might have seen this type of files in your computer system when you install some new applications or softwares. So this dat, so file1.dat in double quotes, and then whichever mode you are using. So for reading you can use RB, B is must, for it stands for the binary, okay, and for writing it's WB, for appending it's WB, sorry, for appending its A, B. So just like that, your file object. Now here I'm taking the file object as suppose object1. I can take any name I want. Space is not there here. Continuous name is there. So object1 is equal to open file1.dat in read mode. That rule you must remember, that if you are opening any file like this with read mode, the file should exist in your computer system. अगर आप ये file1 open कर रहे हैं अभी, तो file1 पहले से चाहिए, otherwise error, IO error will be there. So better this file should be opened, the file should exist. So before RB read mode, because you can't create the binary file by yourself explicitly, no, you can create the binary file in the Python program only. So before opening any file to read, first we are opening the file with the write mode. Why? Because even if the file doesn't exist in your computer system, with write mode you can create a new file in the same location. अगर फाइल नहीं भी है तो राइट मोड से वो फाइल क्रिएट हो जाएगी, नई फाइल क्रिएट हो जाएगी. सो इन दैट वे आई एम टेकिंग वन object1 is equal to open function file1.dat in write mode. Now the next step, you are creating one. Now this wb writing means first you need to write to this file, right? The file will be empty. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू राइट सम कंटेंट टू द फाइल. वो कंटेंट नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट में ही होगा. वी आर टेकिंग द कंटेंट इन द नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट. सो लेट्स टेक द डेटा. हियर डेटा is my object. This is my data object. Anything, string, list, tuple, dictionary. Now I have not taken list, dictionary and tuples yet, so that's why I am sticking with the string data only. When we learn about the list, tuple, data structure, then we can use those data structure in this kind of programs. So for now I am taking string only. So data is your data object. You can name this string anything you want. Data. Now here my first line is welcome to Python. Now this is one normal text. Data is equal to welcome to Python. For Python it is string. ये एक string है. What I need to do, my data is ready. Now this data will be written to the file file1.dat using object1, क्योंकि ये फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट है आपका जो आपने क्रिएट किया है, और उसी के यूज से हम लोग ये जो लाइन है वो file1.dat में राइट डाउन करेंगे, राइट. सो आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज which method we are using to write the content to the file. The method which we are using to write the content is the dump method. Dump means dump करना, right? So what we are doing, we are dumping this sentence to the file. That's why it is called as a dump. याद रखना है तो आप ऐसे ही याद रख सकते हो. That we are dumping any kind of data structure to the binary file. That's why it is called as a dump. How we can use? With the pickle module. So the syntax of dump method is pickle your this module name. Without this module name you cannot use dump and load method. Pickle dot operator and then dump method, and in this we need to place the arguments. Which argument? Two arguments. First, what data to dump, okay, what data we need to dump to the file, and second, where we are dumping to the file. How? With the file object. तो दो आर्ग्यूमेंट लगेंगे हमें. फर्स्ट इज योर डेटा ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है, जो है आपका डेटा. सो डेटा कॉमा where we are dumping to the file. We cannot use the file name here because we have already stored the reference of this file to your file object. So here your object name will be there, just like that, right? So what we have done, first we have imported the pickle module, import pickle. Then we have created the file object. Object 1 is equal to, we have opened file1.dat in WB mode, write mode. So the file automatically created, now it's an empty file. Then we have taken this string, welcome to Python. This string is in plain text format, stored in the data variable or data object. Then this data needs to write down to the binary file using dump method. So pickle dot dump. Here first argument is your data object to your file object, which is object 1. So by this method, by this line, your data will be successfully copied to the file 1.dat. Now your file 1.dat is ready. You can open the file next time in the read mode, so you can read the same data. After you are done with all this operation, just close this file using close method, just like you do object 1 dot operator close method, right? So object 1 dot close, that means you are closing the file successfully. Your file is ready and your content in your file is also ready. So this is the writing. This is the writing to file. How to write to the binary file? It is little bit different than the text file and CSV file, but only two modules you need, and those are the simple module if you use the syntax correctly. Now next is the load method. Load means read from the file. Load method. We are loading the content of the file into our Python program. That's why load method. So here load means reading. When you need to read the content of the file, you can use the load method. So how we can use? Same, you need to import pickle module for the load method. Import pickle. You need to create the file object. Okay, so I am taking the same object. Here I am removing this part. Okay. So create the file object. Object 1 is equal to open file 1. Now this file is already created. Previously we have created this file. So this file is already there. So to read, we can easily use RB mode for that. So open file1.dat with the read mode in binary. So your file object is created. Now here what you need to do, the content is there. The content is already there in your file. You just need to read this, right? For that you need one data object. Previously to writing, first we store the content into data object, then we dump that data object to the file object, right? पहले हमने डेटा एक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में लिया और फिर वो डेटा स्ट्रक्चर हमने राइट किया, डंप किया इन बाइनरी फाइल. टू रीड द डेटा you need to declare data structure. Again string, list, tuple, dictionary. But हमने tuple, dictionary और list अभी तक cover नहीं किया है, so I am sticking with the string. Take one variable to store the data. Then pickle, again pickle module dot operator load. Now here also you need to use one argument. Which argument? Your file object, because you have already created the data object here. So here you are taking file object. Now see the sequence. First you created the file object, you have stored the reference of your file into file object, then you are creating the variable to store the data. So data is equal to pickle dot load. सो लोड में आप क्या करोगे, फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो लोड करोगे डेटा में. That means the content of this file will be loaded to the data. That's it. You have just copied the content to the data. Now your data is ready with the content, whatever content. And see, with the help of pickle module, the already conversion is done. While dumping the data, while loading the data, in both process your conversion is automatically done by the pickle module. You don't have to do anything extra to convert or to inverse the process. So now as you are ready with the data, whatever content written down in the file, that content is stored in the data. So how to view the data? Just print, use the print function to print the data. So print data, give the data as an argument. So your data is ready. You are just printing that data in the output window so that you can view. So pickle module is used to convert the normal text data to the byte stream and byte stream to the normal text data. So here you are printing the data and just close the file as you do. Then your file will be closed. So this is the simplest example of binary file handling. Once you learn the simple concept, the simple syntax, it will be easier for you to understand the complex data structure file handling. Such as here we have taken the normal string, so you can go with the advanced data structure also next time. But before that, clear your basics first. Basics means the syntax should be correct always. So here see the sequence, just don't memorize them. Memorize nahi karna hai, you should understand what is going on. Sequence, now sequence is here. You are creating the empty variable data object. Pickle is the module for conversion, right? Load is the method of loading to the file content to your data structure. Your file reference is already stored in the object 1. That will be loaded using pickle module to data. So your data or this object will be ready, and then you are just printing that data. This is basics. So first understand this basic fundamental concept, then you can handle the advanced file handling program. Once we are done with the advanced data structure in Python, list, tuple, dictionary, etc., then we can again revise this file handling part, because those are very useful for creating binary and CSV files and handling them in the Python. Those are very interesting concept. Now till then we have learned the text file and binary file. There is little difference between text and binary file, which I have already to mention. And in next session we are going with the CSV, comma separated files. We are going to learn about this and some extra modules which we can learn in the file handling. So till then you can just revise this part. Also I would like to mention we have our Instagram handle also, Instagram page. The link is given in the description below. Just go and visit the page. On that page we are posting some short notes related to the content which I am teaching here. Some short notes, some references you can find out there. So it will be helpful for your exam for last minute preparation and to understand the concept more. So do visit the page, do subscribe the page also, and just revise this part. We will make in the next session. Thank you.